what is good? Back with another video for you all. I am actually getting some more work done on the car. Hasn't been too long since my last video. I got the BBSs on the car now. Today, gonna make the car hopefully look a little bit better. Just all around, I think the stance should be better with what I'm doing. Also, it might sound a little bit better. I'll show you all what I'm getting done in a second. I'm gonna go film some clips, some b-roll kind of, and then I'll talk to you guys at the shop. All right, so like I mentioned, I am getting some things done today. I'm actually going to get a downpipe installed on this car. It's an IRL 400 cell catted downpipe. I didn't want to go catless just because I don't want to deal with the smell, especially cops around here. They might pull you over for that. Also, I think catless is a little too loud, so I think the 400 cell, it'll definitely increase the volume, keep the smell down, but also still sound very, very good. And then the other thing is I am actually going lower today. So the fronts right now, they're already on IBOC Pro Kit springs. I forget how much lower it went down. I think it was like 20 mil or something like that. But I'm getting H&R Super Sport springs installed today on the front and the rear. So this is gonna be going down. It should look a lot better. Hopefully I don't run into any issues like with rubbing or anything like that. But that's how the front looks. This is what the rear looks like right now. I mean, honestly, like with the OEM springs in the rear and the stock spring, with the OEM springs in the rear and the IBOC springs in the front, like I think the fitment is still good, but going lower will definitely look better. So super excited to see what that looks like. I'm actually going up to S5X Performance to get all this work done. So hopefully, it doesn't take too long and we can see the final results soon. I'm actually going to a bunch of meets this weekend too. It's like the Toy Drive meet weekend. There's a bunch of meets happening. So yeah, gonna show off the car there, and hopefully it looks really, really good. All right, so just one final look. This is what the fitment looks like before, up in the front. In the rear. So here are the downpipes. I don't want to take them out of the wrapping just cause, but yeah, here they are, 400 cell, catted. Can't wait to get these on, wake up the exhaust just a little bit more. And then here are the springs. Also got to redo the slip low that came off the other day. All right, so the car is done, and damn, I knew it was gonna look good. I didn't know it was gonna look this good. Like, this looks so nice. It is very, very low, lower than what I was expecting, honestly. And it's gonna settle, so it's gonna drop a little bit more. So hopefully I don't encounter any problems with this wheel setup. Hopefully I don't rub, and hopefully I don't hit any bumps or anything and pop the fender off. Going to the back came down a little bit too. Looks nice. Like I said, this is gonna settle, so it looks great. Also, hey, my twin is here. I actually know the original owner of this car. He sold the car to someone else. I don't know who the new owner is. I do have his handle though on Instagram. But yeah, G80 Wong Andrew, he did a great job with his build, and I know the new owner is gonna love this build too, because like I said, he did a great job. But yeah, I mean, as it stands right now, it does look really, really good. Replace the slip low on here as well, so it is fully covered now. Hopefully, I don't scrape, but I feel like that's inevitable at this point. This thing did go pretty damn low, but yeah, I mean, the fitment looks like so good. I really, really like the way it looks now. At the car, after all the work has been done, this thing sits real nice now. Super, super clean. The rear is coming down too. Sits pretty nice. Could go a little bit lower. Hopefully it settles, just a tad bit more, but it's looking really, really good. And I just got done with the highway drive. And yeah, you know, the even though the downpipe I installed is a 400 cell cat downpipe, it's still pretty freaking loud. It's actually kind of surprising how loud it is. Might get a slight headache driving with it, with the valves open, at least like all the time, because it's pretty loud. And I don't know how you catless people do it, honestly, because it's pretty brutal, but still sounds really good, you know, when I do give it some juice. But yeah, I mean, this thing looks great. Once again, thank you to the guys at S5X for helping. This is one problem with this ADRO. It's just like, if anything does get like caught in here, it's really hard to get out sometimes, unless you have like the nails for it, which I definitely do not. But yeah, besides that, yeah, everything is good. I'll get this out later, fuck it. Honestly, at this point, I think the car is pretty much complete. Like, I don't know what else I want to do. It just looks so good.